I will mix 1 spoon of collagen powder into my lotion. What I have been doing lately, I mix a little bit of collagen powder into my serum. I mix it and then apply it on my face. So I thought, well, I will also do it into my lotion. Just 1 spoon and then just mix it. Because the powder is so fine, you literally just mix it until it dissolves, and you know, look, it's just it. It's just mix and then that's it. I'm just gonna mix it thoroughly. So I thought if it's, you know, if it's good to take, then it must be good to apply on my skin. To order the collagen powder, just click the yellow basket. If you are not from the UK and you want to order the collagen powder, you would not be able to check it out because you are outside UK. So just message me and I can send it to you. So that is what it looks like. It's all mixed now, so whatever left in the spoon, I just apply it on my arm. And that's it. So this is going to be my new boredom discovery. Because why not, eh? Why not? So yeah, that's it, guys. Mix my collagen powder with my lotion and also with my serum. And again, to order, just click the yellow basket.